Hi, this is Jody. Welcome back to my channel. All right, here is another book review. Here's a children's book, Walt Disney Alice in Wonderland. This is, let's take the size, 8.5 by 11.5. Okay. Here is the spine, if you see it on the shelf. Walt Disney Alice in Wonderland, Gallery Books. Here is the back. Disney Classic Series. The ISBN number is 0-8317-0287-7 if you're interested in searching for this book. All right. You know, Walt Disney, all Walt Disney books are just so bright and beautiful. These are thick pages, beautiful, soft, thick pages. And this is a sewn in, so you can cut these and take the entire page right out for your journal. So we'll flip through this. I just love these giant pictures in this book. Alice in Wonderland books, journals are always very popular. So this would be a great one if you're looking for, you know, pages for the journal, to make tags, to fussy cut, you know, like fussy cut her out. And the beautiful colors, they're just absolutely gorgeous in this book. Like I said, it's pretty large, so this is a fabulous book. I have not made an Alice in Wonderland book. I don't know. I don't think I will. Just never had the interest of making Alice in Wonderland. Not sure why, but maybe someday. But these are definitely beautiful, huge, large pictures and pages. So if you're looking for Alice in Wonderland content, definitely check and try to find this book. Oh, here we go. Copyright 1986. Published by Gallery Books. Beautiful end papers of all of the different Disney books. I love that. All right. There you go. Alice in Wonderland. And that's a pretty thick book too. All right. Thank you for watching. All right. Bye.